TGIF, happy Friday, my friends. This is Lindsay coming back at you with another work from home job lead. I'll keep today's video as short as I possibly can. Just remember, all links to all jobs that I discuss are in the description box below. So if this is for you, you can click that link and get straight into this page so that you can put your application in. And as always, liking and sharing my videos helps me out, so if you enjoy any of these job leads, please feel free to do that. But today's job lead is for anyone who is trying to get into the work from home field or the work from home financial field that doesn't have a lot of experience. You need to start somewhere to gain that experience. This is for you. This is a bank that is hiring remote work from home for my United States folks only. So today's job lead is from the Rocky Mountain Bank. They are looking for a customer care or customer service representative to specifically work the hours of 12:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you'll have to convert your time zone if you're outside of Central Time to that to see if the hours will work for you. But they are specifically looking for someone to respond to both internal and external customer inquiries through a variety of mediums, so email, chat, and telephone calls, in a timely manner as outlined in the department's established practices and service levels. You'll assist customers with troubleshooting, recommending possible solutions, and determining when to escalate a problem to management or to a technical expert. You'll, of course, complete the customer contact logs. You'll recognize and report to management any trends that you see coming in, and you'll assist with all banking deposit products such as checking, savings, CDs, internet banking, debit cards, mobile banking. So you'll have to complete annual e-learning plans as required. Now, they do not require any college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, and it says 6 to 12 months of customer service experience. So it requires very minimal experience, only 6 months of customer service, and don't forget, customer service can be anything. It's called transferable skills. And so you can use anything that you've done to serve another person and make that customer service skills. So waiting tables, babysitting, being a cashier in a retail store. All you need is 6 months work experience. You do need to know how to use Microsoft Office Suite. And they want someone who has previous experience using social media, instant chat, and email. But in today's world with all the smartphones, I'm pretty sure we all meet the social media, instant message, and email requirement. Of course, pay for this position is $17 an hour. It is full-time, 40 hours a week. It does say that they have a benefit package, but it does not list what those benefits consist of. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you. 2 videos will be popping up on your screen. One I picked for you and the other YouTube picked for you that you might enjoy next. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss another work from home or money making video from me. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.